Hello everyone, today I'll be talking about gravitational fields, fact or fiction, to tell you if anti-gravity or gravitational fields is a thing of reality or something of fiction. This is part one. So let's get to it. Did you know that creating a gravitational field is possible? It's something you watch from a TV show, comic, or another article that you read. Well, let me explain something for you in a theoretical framework for everyone. The theory has been proven in Einstein's general relativity. It stated that gravity is not a force, but rather a curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. Massive objects can warp the fabric of space-time. In fact, scientists have speculated and estimated that electromagnetism can create its own gravitational fields with EM tensor and stress energy and energy influx density. Stress energy tensor means it's a mathematical object in physics that describes the flow of energy and momentum in space-time. EM field tensor allows the concise writing of related physical laws, and it links the electric and magnetic fields to the geometry of space-time. EM tensors also helps understand how electric and magnetic fields interact and behave in four-dimensional space-time. It's used to handle Lorentz transformations and write equations in a covariant way. Energy flux density refers to the amount of energy flowing through a unit area per unit of time. And also a component for it, for stress energy tensor, describes the distribution of energy and momentum with space-time. Essentially, it captures the flow of energy in a given direction within a gravitational field. Experiments were performed, have yielded results, but weren't too significant with the electromagnetic fields since it couldn't create such a significant effect. There has been an experiment done in the Netherlands with the Brits and Dutch scientists conducting a frog that uses diamagnetic levitation for a non-magnetic object. This is just a paraphrase to give you an idea, since diamagnetism is like magnetism influences water and the charge that carries with it. So, in any case, the results for electromagnetic fields wasn't too significant because it would require a tremendous amount of energy to be effective. However, this was taking place in a controlled laboratory. An example would be something significant would be as astrophysical objects carrying a significant net of extreme charge. The reason why it's possible because since EM fields have momentum, energy, and so on, it's to be able to produce a gravitational field, even though it doesn't seem likely in the experimental phase. The theory doesn't lie. It does say it's possible. Since EM fields have momentum, energy, and so on, it's to be able to produce a gravitational field, even though it doesn't seem likely in the experimental phase. The theory doesn't lie. It does say it's possible on its own. I'll explain more in the next video how general relativity, how energy can create a gravitational field. Thank you for listening. This is part one. Part two would be the next podcast I'll be producing. Thank you. Please make sure to follow me, tell more people about me, and please make sure to shout out to another science podcast, and have a great day. Cheers.